How to fix cannot edit Word document. So let's go to start. Simply close this, open this file. As you can see, this is my Word document. Press on to view, show, and press on file name extension. Okay, and it's need to rename just make it to zip file. Press enter and press yes. Okay, now make it to zip file. Open this, press on, and just need to delete settings.xml file. Press on to delete and yes. Okay, now successfully delete this. Go back, go to main file and get back to rename. Press enter and yes. And as you can see, usually edit this. That's it.